fine. And now not a revision for today. Tomorrow we'll go with the revision. We have the classes somewhat for up to 4 or 5 days till. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes. And the revision may start here for tomorrow, and today in case we have completed our question answers of the 10th lesson, I am going with the revision also. Okay, listen carefully. Here the changes around us. Yesterday we completed first to 5th question answers, and now we are going with the 6th question answer. 6th question answer. Okay, listen carefully. 6th question answer. Yeah, what is the 6th question? It is there. Some changes are listed below. Classify them as a temporary and permanent. Yeah, which one is called temporary change? Which one is called permanent change? First you have to know for answer of this. Which one is called temporary change? Once one substance is changed, it is remain like that only. It is called a temporary permanent change. In case that whatever the substance or whatever the change is coming, again it is retained to the original form. It is called what? A permanent change. You know very well about this thing, I thought. Okay, suppose when there is a milk is convert into curd, again the curd is not convert into milk na. Yes, it is possible. Curd is again convert into milk. Once it is convert into milk to curd, no. That's why it is called permanent change. Suppose at your UKG you are at this much small baby. Now you are at this much of height. Now again you are go to that particular age, LKG age, and LKG is that small height. That all are called what? Permanent changes. Got it or not? Temporary changes are nothing but changes of session is a temporary change only. The winter is coming again as a summer, summer is again convert as a winter. It is called a temporary change. Okay, clear or not all of you? These all are temporary changes only. Again there is one more change here. What it is? The bulb is glows off, on and off. This is a temporary change only. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, there is somewhat a permanent changes are there, somewhat temporary changes are there. Only the definition of temporary and permanent is what, Nana? Temporary is nothing but there is a what? Whatever the change is coming, that may again come to the original situation. Okay, and as well as a substance, whatever the changing into another form, again it is coming into original form. It is called what? Temporary change. What is a permanent change? Permanent change is nothing but once the change is coming in the body or once change is coming in the surrounding thing, that again not regain or not retain its original change, that is only called a what? That is only called a what? That is only called a permanent change. Here, just listen carefully. Yes, soaring of a cord, soaring of a cord. Okay, now, yes, it is a permanent change or temporary change? Soaring of a cord. Yes, cord remain like that only. Yes, that is a permanent change only. We may not remove that all yeast bacteria from that. That is a soaring of a cord. It is a what? A permanent change only. Yes, ripening of oranges. Ripening of oranges. Oranges, raw oranges. Once you take raw oranges, afterwards refine that orange. Again it will be coming into the raw orange. No. Once a mango, you take a mango at a raw mango, and once refined the mango. Okay, now again you will get the raw mango. All the fruits once refined, afterwards again will be get the say original fruits. Okay, not get na. Yes, it will be spoiled. In case of refining, you kept it that will be like that only remain. Okay, it will be not get the original fruit again. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yeah, that is only refining of oranges is a permanent change. And now the sawing the piece of a wood into two. It is possible sawing of the two wood into again two pieces. Okay, chalk piece is a convert into two pieces. Again it is a possible to make it is as a same before that structure. No, it is not a possible. It is without using of any material you have to do it. Sir, I want to take a fevicol, sir, I want to take a fevistick, sir, I want to attach it. It is not a correct. Okay, now without using of that, again it will be taken as a okay, now same material. No, it is not like that. It is clear or not all the students? That's why yes, compulsory you have to take here what here Yes, that should be not get a original form. Okay, this is the one thing. Next one, cooking of food. It is a permanent change or temporary change? Cooking of food. Yeah, tell me. Huh? Yeah, it is a permanent change only. Cooking of food is a what? A permanent change only. Once we cooked that rice, again we will get the rice, same rice? No. Once cooked as a vegetable, the vegetable again, as well as how the lady finger before that cooking, that again it will be get the same after cooking? Okay, no. Okay, clear or not all of you? Never it is getting, never it is again getting, na? Never it is getting. Once it's a cooked, never it will be get like that. Okay, clear or not all the students? That why it is also permanent change only. Now, heating of milk. Heating of milk. Yeah, it is a permanent or temporary? It is a temporary. Okay, after heating, after some time, when we remove the heat, automatically it is cool down. Okay, clear or not all of you? That's why it is a temporary. Okay, just we heat it, not added anything. Okay, clear or not all of you? After that removing the heat, again it will be, yes, converted as a same as usual before whatever the thing. Okay, clear or not all of you? Now, come to the seventh one. Yes, seventh question answer. Yeah, seventh question answer is what is there here? We use a clay to make idols. Yes, can we get a back clay from the idol? What the type of change it is explained? Tell me what is the type of change it is, a permanent or temporary? Yes, you take a clay and you convert it as idol. Okay, now, yes, then it will be, yes, again will be get as a clay. Means what? It is a temporary change. It is not a permanent change. Why it is a called temporary change? Whatever the clay, by using one clay only, will get the different idols. You may become you may prepare a Ganesha, you may prepare a duck, you may prepare a yourself, your diagram. Okay, everything it is a possible from the one thing only. How reusable again and again and again. It is a possible to convert into original form. Again, it will be convert into different form. Okay, got it or not? That's why it is a called temporary change or permanent change. It is a temporary change only. I hope you got it, all the students. Next, come to here. Now, one more thing. Eighth question. Carpenter made a chair using wood. What the type of change it is? What the type of change it is? Yes, carpenter by using the wood he prepared a chair. It is a what type of a change? Temporary change or permanent change? You know very well there is a wood is a coming from where? Plants or trees. Okay, now at that time what is the structure it will be there? Again it will be formed as the same. Okay, after preparation of chair. No, it is a permanent change. It is not a temporary change. It is a permanent change. And there is, you know very well, it is so many types of changes are there. That is only categorization of changes. The natural, okay, slow change, or otherwise it is a past change. Like that also you have to explain these all the things. It is a slow change or a past change. Yeah, for the purpose of a slow change and past change, you compare the thing compulsory. Okay, clear or not all of you? Conversion of milk to curd is a past change. You know very well. Compare with the changes of session. Changes of session is taken a time for 4 to 6 months. But the conversion of a milk convert into the curd, it will be changes how much time? Only 4 to 5 hours. That's why it is a past change. Compare with the changes of session. Clear? Here also, when you take a wood and cut it is into the what actually? Yes, a chair. It is a which type of a change? It is not a past change, may it is taken as a slow change only. Okay, compare with the remaining things. Okay, clear or not all of you? And suppose you have to go for natural change or man-made change. Making of a chair is a natural change. No, it is a man-made change. Natural change are nothing but whatever a natural sources. The bacteria name is a yeast bacteria. Yeast bacteria which are changes the curd it is a called a yeast. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, and now come to here. Whatever the change of a chair. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, from the wood it will be what? Natural, not a natural change, it is a man-made. There is a changes are classified in that way also. Natural substances are involved like water, air, sunlight. Okay, yes, these all are natural things. They changes themselves. It is called a natural change. Otherwise, a human being is involved in that one. It is called a man-made change. The chair preparation is a which change? Man-made change only. Okay, it is not a natural change. Got it? The chair preparation from the wood, it is a man-made change. It is a slow change. It is a permanent change. Okay, clear or not all of you? And during this change, there is a shape is a changes or not? Yeah, shape of that wood is also changes of our desired degree. Okay, clear? Whatever we required in our desire based, that is in that basis only we prepared our change chair. Okay, you know very well about this. And now there is we are going to discuss about a eighth question now. Okay, now yes. What is the eighth question answer? Already completed na eighth question. Yeah. Now there is we go with the what? Ninth question answer. What is the ninth question answer? Yeah. There is a Rafi said that flour from rice, wheat is a man-made change. He wants to make a list of example of this kind change. Help him expand his list. Okay, now means what? You write the man-made changes. Okay, now what is the statement is a given? Flour from rice. Okay, now flour from rice, wheat or wheat. Okay, clear or not all of you? Rice and wheat you have to take and it will be using the missions we prepared as a flour. In that one it is a man-made change or not? It naturally changes. Okay, now sun is makes like this. Yes, that whatever the rice coming from the plant, it is a natural change only. Natural change or man-made change? Okay, now man-made change it is. Rice is coming from that plant. Okay, we planted, that's it. But we not made that rice na in the plant. Okay, we made the plant rice in the plant. No, plantation of rice, it is a man-made. But the rice is a giving from the plant, it is not a man-made. No, don't confuse here. Who are involved in that? Already we discussed in our last lesson. Who made the food for the plant? Themselves only they made the plant. They made the food for plant by using the photosynthesis reaction, by using the water taken from the roots, okay, by using the sunlight, by using the carbon dioxide. There is a plants are respirated themselves and as well as they are taken food for, there is the chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight. Okay, clear or not all of you? That is a man-made, not a man-made. That is a natural thing. Which one? Plants are given a food, that is a natural thing only. Okay, na? Sir, we are provided fertilizers na, we provide things na. No need. In case you not provide anything, in case natural is a provide. Okay, na? How this is all the forest you only given? You only given food for the forest trees? No, na. Themselves they only grown. By using the whatever the minerals are there in earth and whatever the sunlight it is absorbed, whatever the water at the time of the rain may comes. Okay, clear? So that's why it is not a man-made. But the flour is coming from the rice or wheat, it is a man-made only. Okay, now themselves they only grains are not converted as a flour. Clear or not all of you? Yes, that's why it is a man-made. Like the things only you have to take and list it. Okay, now tell me anyone. Tell me anyone, all the students write in a chat box, like the things, man-made things. So many are there. Milk is a convert into curd, it is a man-made only. Rice is a cooking, that is also man-made only. Vegetables, curries are making, man-made only. Okay, na chair making, man-made only. Idol making, man-made only. Okay, na fan working, it is a man-made only. The light is a working, man-made only. Okay, now your book preparation, it is also man-made only. It is a change or not? Okay, now you cover the book, that is also man-made only. Okay, now you are writing, that is also man-made only. That is a change or not? Before that the paper is in white color. When you write by ink, it is become what, as in a black or otherwise somewhat in a letter formats. Okay, TV, these all are man-made things only. Okay, whatever the changes are coming around you. Tea making, man-made only. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, these all are man-made things only. Next to come to here. Select a plant, the question number 10. 10th answer. What is that? Select a plant in your house or school, observe and record the changes keeping in a view of height of plant, number and size of leaves and flowers, etc. over a period of 2 months. Display your observation. For this question purpose, we require the 2 months for giving answer. Correct or not? No need. Once you are, okay now, take a plant observation. Okay, before that, before the 2 months, it will be very small. Now it is a growing. Okay, clear or not, all of you? And already we are discussed before in this question only. Yes, the plant growing is a natural. There is a no man-made. Plantation is a man-made. Okay, you take a green grains and it will be what fall on earth and it will be okay now. Yes, itself it only it is grown. And the grown is a permanent change or temporary change? The flowers are coming from that tree, it is a permanent or a temporary? Okay na? Yeah, it is a permanent things only. Flower may not become again as a plant na. Okay, that's why it is a permanent thing only. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And the growing of the plant is a permanent thing only. Again that plant is a become the very small grain. Okay na? Plant is a provide the grain, that is a different thing. Okay na? Again the same plant is a become as a grain? No. Okay, clear or not, all of our seed? No, it is. That's why it is a permanent change only. And it is a growing of the plant is a natural change. It is a takes a 2 months time. That's why it is a called what? It is a slow reaction, not a fast reaction, fast change. Okay, like that you conclude about this. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And this is only about what is the 10th one, 10th answer. Next, 11th answer, 11th question answer. What is the 11th question answer? Okay, clear or not, all the students? There is a what will happen if a decorative flowers papers is dipped in a water. Predict the possible change, verify your prediction by doing experiment and write down the steps of the process. What will happen if a decorative color is dipped in a water? Predict the possible change. What happened in case you take a paper, color papers, you dipped in the water? Yeah, the color are absorbed by the water is become colored. When you take a color paper dipped in the water, clear or not, all of you? Yeah, there it is a what? Which type of action? It is a permanent or temporary? It is a permanent only. The water is removed itself, it is water again? No. Okay, now it will be remain like that only. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Then the loss of the color from the paper, it is a which type of a change? It is a temporary change, it's a called. Why? Because when it is a losses again it will be getting its original form or not paper. That's why it is a temporary only. You take a white paper, you colored it and you dip in that water. Okay, it loses its a color or not? Yeah, that's why it is a called what? Temporary. And it is a fast reaction or slow reaction? Yeah, it is a fast reaction only. May you take a 10 minutes. Okay, now? Yes, automatically the color is removed and the color is added to the water. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Like that only you are take that experiment and predict your answers. This is the 11th one. Now come to the 12th answer, 12th question answer. Yeah, what is the 12th one? Write a various process involved in the making ghee from milk. What the changes do you find during this process? Yeah, there is a milk not only given the what? Not only given the curd, milk is also giving the ghee also. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, and when you take a milk and heat it and you are by using the which one? What is that? Crusher. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Milk crusher when you take here. Okay, now by using that, when you crush the milk from that one, there is a what? Butter may get, ghee may get, like the things. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, that is only we called here. And this process is a what? A permanent process or temporary process? Yeah, it is a permanent process only. The ghee again not given the milk. Okay, clear or not, all of you? That's why it is a permanent process only. It is not a temporary process. Okay, And now like that only you explained about this, how you get the ghee, you know very well. If you don't know about this thing, once you take help of your mother and you write that thing, how it will be get. Okay, clear or not all of you? First you should compulsory heat that milk. Then after you are crush the milk. Okay, clear or not all of you? From that one you'll get somewhat a weighted particle, massive particle, whatever contain inside of the milk. Okay, clear or not all of you? Somewhat solid particles or whatever there inside of the milk. It may not appear initially, but when you are may crush it is automatically it will be come from it. Okay, clear or not all of you? Next, there is a come to the 13th question answer. 13th question answer. Yes, what is there? Observe the following table and answer the questions below whatever given. What is given here? Yeah, once you observe the table, place is a given. What is that? Rent chintala. Yes, and in that one the temperatures are given. Here month is a given. Yeah, month is a given and the temperatures are given here, and the questions may ask for you. January, April, August is a given, maximum temperature, rainfall, sunrise, sunset. These all the values are given. Which month and had the maximum rainfall? Okay, once you observe that rainfall in the January 2.41 mm only there, April 0.01 mm only there, and August 39.21 it will be there. That's why it is the maximum rainfall that is at August only. How to write that answer? The maximum rainfall in the month of August. Don't write a single word answer. Okay, now you write the maximum rainfall is in a month of August. Then next come to the second one. Which session occurs in the month of August? Yes, how can you support your answer? Which session occurs in the month of August? Yeah, there is, you know very well, there is a rainy session. Why? Because the more rainfall is there, that's why it is called a rainy session. Okay, now low temperature is there and as well as high rainfall is there. That's why it is a month of August is a monsoon session or rainfall session it is. Come to third one, third question. In the 13th one, in which month is the duration of the day minimum and what could be the reason for its? Okay, now once check here, the duration of the day is nothing but what? Duration of the day is nothing but the difference between the sunset and as well as the sunrise. Once check it here, once January, once you take here, what is that? 1712 to what is that? 6:50. The time is a what? A 6:50. Okay, clear or not all of you? In the month of January, you take a difference of these two things. Okay, clear or not all of you? You know very well it here, we take it is a hours. Okay, clear or not all of you? 17:12 nothing but evening 5:12. Okay, clear or not? It is a morning 6:50. The difference you have to take between these two things. Already we are discussed. And as well as in April, there is a 6:11 to 17:47. In 6:31 to 17:31. There is a minimum at where? At the January it is a minimum. Once check it here. Yes, the day time is at where minimum? January. Where it will be maximum? At April. In the winter there is a sunrise and sunset is a contain early sunrise, early sunset is a possible in a winter. That's why only the January is a winter because of that. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, the seasons are whatever there here. Okay, clear or not all the students? That season is maybe. Okay, yes, very low time it will be taken. That's why for the day duration, that is only January is a thing. Next to come here, yes, whatever, do you find any relation between the sunrise and season? Yeah, there is a word sunrise and season is a contain the relation is there. Already we are discussed now. There is a word when you take a rainy season or winter season, it will be contain a very less time. Okay, clear or not all of you? Very less time it will be there. Okay, now yes, and as well as sunrise is taken a late compare with the summer session. Okay, you know very well. At the summer, early sun may appear for us. Yes, but it will be take a somewhat a more time, not a hours of time half an hour, 40 minutes, like that time duration taken more in a winter season and as well as in a rainy season. Clear or not all of you? Compare with the summer season. Okay, why already we have discussed it? Because of the what sun is nearer to the moon in the summer season. Okay, clear or not all of? That's why it is appear earlier. Okay, in that rotation of the sun, revolution of the sun around the earth, there it will be what? Very nearer to in a summer, it is a farer from our winter session. Okay, this is only, what is that? In the summer session, there is a sunrise at L-Re. Okay, clear or not all the students? And now, come to here, what the changes can you identify from January to August? Yes, from the table. What you observed here? Yeah, January to August, there is a temperature is once it is in April increases, then next it is a decreases. Clear or not all of you? January to April it is increases, the temperature is increases. Then again the April to the August there is a temperature is a decreases. From that one what you conclude here? Yeah, in the January it is a winter session. In the August it will be rainy session. In the April it is a summer session. The temperature at where more? At April. That's why it is a called summer session. Where it will be very low in the January. That's why it is a called winter. And next there is a rainfall is a maximum at August, minimum at April and meanwhile at January. That's why it is a what we call, there is a whatever August temperature is there. August rainfall is a more. That's why it is a called a rainy session. And the remaining are, one is a summer, another one is a winter. The next to come to here, there is a day duration is increases from where? From the January to April, then again it is a decreases to the April to the August. Okay, from this one what you conclude? The winter session is a contain a more day duration, less day duration. In a summer it is a contain a maximum day duration, and as well as it is at rainy meanwhile duration will be there between a summer and as well as the winter. This is only about 13th question answer. There is a 5 questions are there. Okay, now you answer like that from the table. 14th question answers now. Okay, that is the 14th question answers you have to take. What is the 14th question answer? Yes. For I wondered how it could be possible for nature to bring changes in a session in the seasons periodically. Can you add some changes like this? How will you explain them? Yeah, there is a what you know very well, already we discussed it. There is, this is only the diagram. Yeah, there is it is a sun and it is a earth. Okay, now earth is always revolving around the sun in this particular elliptical orbit only. Okay, for every 365.25 days, earth is occupied the same position. Okay, clear or not all of you? Suppose it is at April. Okay, clear or not all of you? And it is a what? It is somewhat, it is in a January. Then next again April, it will be come to here. Okay, clear or not all of you? You know very well about half semisphere. Already we are discussed. Okay. Laser light untadi. Kinda laser light untadi. Ikkadra. Yeah, when you take it here, okay, this is taken as a sun, suppose. Yeah, there is a what now? This laser light is a taken sun. Now, when it is rotated in a equal time interval again and again, there is a what will be get? The same portion it will be lighted. Otherwise, when there is it is a sun and it is a revolved like this around it in equal time interval, it is a fixed, it is a revolving around it in equal time interval, the periodically the same changes will be get for us. Clear or not all the students? I hope you got it. Yes, already we are discussed in the class time. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes. And now one more thing, we added like these things, anything? Yeah, there is a whatever the day formation and night formation. For every 24 hours, there is a same thing may appear for us. Day changes. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, like that only so many periodical changes we consider. Okay, now for it respiration, breathing. Okay, these are also, yes, there is a, these are also periodically we are taken. Okay, like that there is a changes are may consider periodical purpose, that is the 14th one. Okay, now last question answer, that is the 15th question answer. Okay, clear or not all the students? What is the 15th question answer? Sita wondered and felt very happy to see the beauty of the field and insects like. Yeah, there is a what? These all are coming, Nana. This is a coming. This lesson is a coming in your essay one examination. Yeah, fourth and fifth and sixth lessons are may not come in your examination. Fourth, fifth, yes, and sixth. Periodical means in equal time. Okay, na? In Telugu I don't know. Okay, na? Periodic means avartanamu. Telugulo avartanamu అని అంటారు. Okay, na? Yes, avartanamu. Okay, na? In equal time again and again repeated, that is only called periodic. Okay, clear? Yes, and now there it is a what? Once again, 15th question answers. Sita wondered and felt very happy to see the beauty of the fields and insects like a twinkle beetle, that is called Arudra, during the rainy sessions in their villages. Can you list some such changes which make wonder, you wonder and feel happy? I hope you know very well about this. Okay, now, yes, during the seasons change, there is about so many changes repeated and repeated may occurs. Okay, clear or not all of you? The falling of the trees leaf. Okay, now, and as well as the new leaf may comes. Okay, that will be also somewhat look beautiful. Okay, now once check it out, now the weather in a winter very greenish. Now in the February month, these all are lasses. And again in the month of May and April, some trees are getting small, okay, now leaves again. How it look beautiful? Okay, now it is a green, then after what light greenish thing will be get for us. Okay, clear or not all of you? Rainbow formation. These all the changes are somewhat beautiful or not. Okay, clear or not all those things? This is about a natural changes. Yes, and that will be looks beauty. In our nature, once you check it out around you, whatever the things are there, once you write down about that things. Okay, now myself I am given that is one of the example, you search for your example purpose. Okay, clear or not all the students? This is only about our changes around us lesson. Okay, now once you again listen carefully, okay, throw that our all the videos classes, and whatever the doubts are there, please post to me. Okay, now in a further our revision time. There is a what totally don't confuse about the syllabus. Okay, for a essay 1 examination, first, second and third lessons are there in our essay 1 examination, and then after again 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th lesson. Totally 7 lessons. 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. Already I am sending through the WhatsApp groups. Okay, now yes. Then you, if you have any doubt, otherwise if you not get it is. Okay, once you ask to your principal sir or madam, okay, about the syllabus, there is already we are sending the syllabus to you. Okay, now first lesson, second lesson, third lesson. Fourth, fifth, sixth lessons are may not come in your essay 1 examination. Why? Because they removed from our syllabus. These all lessons are removed from our syllabus for this academic year. But we already discussed that lessons. Not a problem, for your knowledge purpose it is utilized. Just they are not for examination purpose, they are not getting. In annual examination also they are not getting. Okay, now just it is for your writing of a notes is compulsory, making of a project purpose also compulsory, and for the reading purpose also compulsory. But in an examination the lessons are may not come for you. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yeah, I hope you got it. There is first lesson, second lesson, third lesson revision you take today. Tomorrow I will give the any doubt clarifications. If you have any doubt, tomorrow we will discuss about that. You know very well about that, I hope. There is what is the first lesson, what is the second lesson, and what is the third lesson. What is the first lesson? Our food. Okay, na? Yes, you know very well about our food lesson. Okay, clear or not, all of you? What is the food ingredients? How to prepare the food? What is the process of the food? How to preserving the food? Okay, these are the very important components are there. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, and what is the ingredients and it come from where? It is a come from plant or animal. Okay, that is only the first lesson. Okay, the second lesson is the playing with the magnets. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yeah, already we are discussed so many examples and experiments we are concluded about that. Okay, clear or not, all the students? In our recording videos are also there this lesson. Once check through that. Okay, then what is the third lesson? Rain, where does it is come from? It is the fourth, na? Yeah, where does it is the rains come from? That is only the third lesson. Okay, na? It is also important lesson only. Where does it is come from rain? Okay, na? Yes, there is a process of evaporation, condensation. Okay, what is a hailstone and what is the acidic rains? These are all the components we are discussed. Once check through that all the components. If you have any doubts, tomorrow I want to clarify it. Okay, now yes, tomorrow we'll come with the revision classes of the first to the third lesson. If possible, we take a more. Okay, thank you students. Bye. Take care. Yes, you compulsory complete this lesson also. Why? Because this lesson also may come in your our exam. Okay, thank you. Bye. Take care. క్లాస్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు